When I was a school going kid, then I used to have this favorite quote that we all have 24 hours in a day. How we use this time makes all the difference. And friends, since that childhood, I used to plan my day very judiciously. And that's why I'm able to achieve whatever I've achieved till now. Thanks to God for bestowing me all his blessings. Because of the well planning which I do beforehand, I'm able to manage my work life as well as personal life together. Whether they are my lectures, my labs, writing articles, writing books, or giving time to my beautiful family, I'm able to do it. I'm going to give you those tips which I use in my daily life. The first thing which I do when I wake up in the morning, I give my gratefulness to the Almighty because of all His blessings. The second thing which I do is plan my day. And for that, I use this planner, which is really helpful for me. This is from Twillo, and the name is Mindful Day Planner Pad. It really helps me. I do write the top 3 goals for the day. Then I break them into doable tasks. And each task has a definite time which I give. When I write all these things down, then what happens? It keeps the burden from my mind to the paper and I become relaxed. Then also I plan the mindful breaks during that because it is also very important to have those breaks. The research has proven that after every 25 minutes, you have to give a break for 5 minutes to re-energize your brain. So this I do either breathing or I just walk in my lab to see what my students are doing, or I just do chit chat with my colleagues for 5 minutes. It re-energizes me. The second thing is that when I'm doing work, I give a lot of focus to that work. I avoid all the distractions, like I switch off all the social media notifications. And when I am in this flow concept, then I'm able to achieve more in that limited time. The third thing is that I review whatever I'm doing after every 3 hours so that I'm able to achieve my goals for that day or not. So this is also very important to have it. Then the fourth thing is you can have peaceful mind and peaceful body. For that, you can do yoga, meditation, and you should have a proper sleep. These things are very important if you want to have a productive day. So friends, hope you like my video. Do tell me what hacks do you follow in order to have a productive day. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye. Take care.